What's going on, everybody? See if I can get y'all straightened up a little bit. We out here in Christiana, Tennessee today, and hauling a little bit of shot rock. Today is Wednesday, 17th May. Got the truck cleaned up the other day, Friday. Got them washed. Didn't really work, so I come in the shop and washed 9 dump trucks and put my CB in and all that good stuff. And then yesterday kind of got rained out, so
I went ahead and moved that little old dump truck out of the way.
Damn boys. And well, anyway, so I come in yesterday and Chuck, which is right there, which is kind of like the manager, display guy, pretty much runs it. He got a new truck, so kind of a teal green. And I was gonna make some video because I come in yesterday and put all the chrome, chicken lights, and all that good stuff on. But it had some other people come in to help, and it was a little bit too loud and stuff, so I didn't get no video of it. I was trying to get set up. That would have been some good video. Maybe whenever I get back to the office today, I can do a little bit of video and show you at least how it turned out. And if a lot of people talking, I'll just cut out the volume, put some music in behind it, and that way you can kind of see what all was done and all that good stuff. But this is like I guess a moms and pops kind of crusher wheel. I guess you just haul shot rock out here. So we get the shot rock, and remember I showed y'all in that other video to carry over at that little crusher that this other company that we haul for. I'll get everything right in a minute. All these bumps that y'all see, I'm trying to miss all these bumps. See all this mud and everything? It's been pouring down rain. But and a few questions I got. Remember, y'all, I'm gonna start trying to make some of these videos. Y'all got questions and stuff like that, put them down in links, down in the description and in comment section. I'll get it right, and then we'll go over it on the next video. So comments and stuff. All right, like starting back with RV transport. Like I said, everything I don't want to be about RV transport, because I'm giving y'all my honest opinion about RV transport. If I had a brand new paid for truck, I would not go back to RV transport right now. RV transport is going downhill, and it reminds me of back years ago whenever I was trucking. All the big companies started flopping in and trying to buy up everything, and then what they do is they lower the rates and all that good stuff. Well, RV transport to me is kind of slow, so now they can change the rules of whatever they want to do. Now, can you still make money in RV transport? Yes, but I would not go out and buy a brand new truck to get back in RV transport. I wouldn't do that. If you don't have that many bills, you want to go and travel, or if you got another income coming in, or if you don't have another income coming in and you already got the truck and everything, you know, you want to see the world, the United States anyway, then, you know, good job. It's fun. It's a very enjoyable job. Sometimes it's hectic, stressed out a little bit when you get snow and ice and all that stuff, but as far as a job, I mean, it's an enjoyable job. But as far as going in debt to get into it, no, I wouldn't do it, because to me, they sucked all the maintenance side of it. What I'm talking about with that is they used to be able to make enough money to pay your bills and pay everything else to go do it, buy your fuel, and then what's left over will be a maintenance fund. So that's very important to have, and they pretty much took that off, where you pretty much pay for the fuel, send the rest of the money home, pay the bills, and that's about it. Which is when you get like that in a job, it's dangerous. When your truck goes down, then you're stuck. You're paying for a truck, you can't work it in. And not only that, the miles of stuff that you're putting on a truck. I put a lot of miles on mine. I run hard when I was out there doing RV transport. So I did run up a lot of miles. And the miles equal up to what the truck worth and what it's worth, you know, they don't equal up either. So like I said, if you already got one, you just want to do it to travel, make a little bit of money, you know, it's good for that. As far as trying to make a living, pay your bills, raise a family, I wouldn't do it. Because companies are changing rules as they go. It's changed. Indiana Transport has changed since the last time I was at Indiana Transport. So, which is bullcrap, because they're still making their money. So even though they got the freight where they can just not put it on the board until everybody hauls whatever they want you to haul, then they'll trickle some on the board. Yeah. Or whenever you start, and make you haul 2 little ones instead of just one. It's different stuff. But anyway, enough about that. But heck, I don't think I still got left. I still got those my fifth wheel that my wife, sandwich maker, is having a yard sale Saturday, a couple of days, and that's gonna be in a yard sale. So I still got my fifth wheel. And then the bed cover. Remember the bed cover? Not the one I put on the blue truck, but the one I put on red, where the hard one, trifold, and had the LED light in the back. Yeah, that's a nice bed cover. She's gonna put that in the yard sale and get all that stuff gone, and I'll have everything that besides my tools, which I'm not gonna sell my tools, and they still come in handy. Let me pull out of here. But drop the axle. But I don't think I'll ever get back into RV transport. Unless, like I said, you know, 20 years from now, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna retire. I already have a truck. This to go do it. This for sandwich maker can go see all the stuff that I've seen in my 20-something years of driving that she ain't be able to got to see no. You know, I've been able to got to take her places, and she got to miss a lot of stuff, but she got to see some stuff that she never would have got to see without trucking, RV transport, stuff like that. So it's very nice to actually be able to go out and do something and get paid for it while you're doing it. I've seen a lot of good stuff, like the Grand Canyon and all that good stuff. I mean, so, but today we kind of split our little force up to now we got 10 trucks. They're going to get the tags for the new one today, so it should be coming out tomorrow if we work tomorrow. If not, maybe we'll come back in and do some maintenance on the trucks or something. I put a tire on mine yesterday and then put that chrome on. Always something to do in trucking, where you're servicing a truck, changing tires, adjusting brakes, all that good stuff. But half of them are doing asphalt, and us, the other half, are hauling shot rock to make the Luby rocks. And that's one thing I don't, probably the worst thing about dump trucking that I hate, in my opinion, is asphalt. I don't like asphalt. Asphalt's not that hard, as long as you stay in the spreader. It's not that hard. It's just messy, jacks your bed up, your tailgate, everything. It's messy. But that's pretty much all I'm gonna do today, is just haul some shot rock. Alrighty. Well, let's talk about CDLs for a minute, as we pull back over here to get loaded and this road is bumpy, so if the camera's moving around, sorry about that, but I figure I put a force face camera on so that way y'all could not have to look at me. But questions about, do you need a CDL to get in like RV transport? The answer to that is no. But having a CDL gives you so many more options. Number one, you can haul more weight. Number two, when loads are short, times are slow, you can get more freight, keep busy, and they do pay a little bit more. Now, also, it gives you more options of, like, if you want to drive a dump truck or a 18-wheeler or a concrete truck, stuff like that. If you decide to get in RV transport and it does not work out, then you got something else to fall on. Like some of y'all in the last video I put out saying that you would rather went to dump trucking or used to haul dump trucks, and some of you had, you know, probably hauled 18-wheelers and stuff like that. It's just a good option to have. It's a good investment. To me, you know, I like I say, I don't have much education. I didn't even finish school. So to me, my CDL is my high school diploma degree, you could say. But it's very, I think, good if you have the opportunity, if you have the time and the money to invest your CDLs, because it used to be where you could do CDLs was a whole lot easier than what it is now. I don't even know if you gotta go through training and all that good stuff anymore, but that's it's something good to have. It opens up to whatever you want to do to be able to make more money and just to be able to have something set back. Now, I've known some people that have their CDLs and they let them go because they didn't think they was ever going to drive no more. And they have regretted it. Situations come up to where a CDL, and then they can make more money and actually work. So it is worth the time and the effort, the money to get a CDL. And the cake video, everybody, some people are saying, let me get up this hill. Some people are saying about the cake video. I said a long time ago I was going to make one. Well, Monday, we got somebody coming and that's going to be tearing out our kitchen floor, and we're going to put all new wood down, and then going to put new linoleum, whatever. Me and my wife picked out a sandwich maker. She found some, and then we took them home and done all that. So I'm thinking about making one whenever I get all that done, because the kitchen's supposed to be tore up. Well, Sunday we got to move everything out of it so they can get started on it Monday morning. So kitchen is definitely going to be jacked up. So maybe when they get done with it, I can get in there and make a cake video. Kind of been working on one in my head. All right, round turn that down a little bit. Probably blasted y'all's ears. But anyway, give y'all a little bit of the little scenery right here as I'm coming back into the crusher. And yep, driving slow. You don't want to beat the truck all to death. Break something. Break brackets. All kind of stuff. Y'all see the clouds? That is one thing about hauling shot rod. that it doesn't matter if it rains. And, you know, dump truck, depends on what you're doing and all that stuff. Wintertime, it can be slow. It's very slow in the wintertime. Been a long time since I worked the wintertime in dump trucking, but I do remember it being slow, and that was the reason a couple times I've gotten out of it, because it was just too slow for me to deal with. But hopefully this year be enough work to go around and at least be able to get to work most of it. But if you've never gotten into dump trucking and you're thinking about getting into dump trucking, then it's always good, because summertime you get a lot of, golly, what a crater. You get a lot of overtime, and it's very good to take that overtime and put back, kind of like your maintenance fund or something, put back for the rainy days. We're gonna have rainy days and slow winters, so put back, and that way you stay at home and relax, or get you a little part-time job in the wintertime, make you some more money. But see all them rock, and that wall of rock. Loader man's already over in position, waiting on me. Oh man, I can imagine only what this is gonna look like. Y'all already try to be in the dump truck. If I'm making y'all seasick just riding around this thing, you already tried to be in the dump truck. It's definitely fun. But there's the back of the crusher. I'm gonna back up here and get loaded, and anything else exciting happens, I'll let y'all know. Maybe get some video of it if something exciting happens. If not, then I'm gonna try, like I say, to get a little bit of that video of the truck and show y'all what it looks like. I think it's a 2023 Peterbilt. So